Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Jzones 4K dash cam front and rear. A dual-channel dash camera designed for those who want high-quality video recording for their vehicles. This dash cam offers 4K Ultra HD recording from the front camera and 1080p from the rear, capturing both perspectives simultaneously. The front camera even supports 1440p QHD+ at 60 frames per second, ensuring crisp and smooth footage. With a 170-degree front wide-angle lens and 140-degree rear lens, combined with true HDR technology, this dashcam minimizes blind spots and delivers detailed video that's perfect for documenting any incidents on the road. The camera includes loop recording, which automatically overwrites the oldest files once the storage is full. It's equipped with a G sensor that detects sudden shakes or collisions, triggering emergency recording and locking the footage to prevent it from being overwritten. It comes with a free 64GB memory card, and it supports up to 512GB, giving you plenty of space for continuous recording. Night driving is no problem thanks to the Super Night Vision feature. The dashcam uses an f1.5 large aperture lens with 6 layers of glass optics, allowing more light to enter and producing clear images even in low light conditions. This ensures important details like license plates, pedestrians, and road signs are captured accurately, making it ideal for safety and accident evidence. One of the standout features is the built-in GPS, which overlays speed, compass, and timestamp directly onto your recordings. You can view GPS-tagged videos in the Jzones app, which provides an extra layer of documentation if needed. For those who park their car frequently or leave it unattended, the dashcam supports a 24-hour parking mode. When paired with a separate wired kit, it offers auto-event detection through motion and impact, time-lapse recording, and low bitrate recording. Any collision or movement triggers the camera to record and lock the footage for safety and peace of mind. The dashcam is compact and sleek, measuring just over 9 inches long and weighing 1.45 pounds, making it easy to mount on your windshield with the included car mount. Connectivity is seamless with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to access footage and settings through the Jzones app, giving you control right from your smartphone. Overall, the Jzones 4K dashcam front and rear combines high-resolution video, advanced safety features, and smart connectivity, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle's security and recording capabilities. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews.